4 months ago, I started my journey into the world of data. Today, I am not just looking into a spreadsheet, I am building AI driven insight. Hi, I am Pinky Mondal, currently pursuing data analytics course with Gen AI at Karmick Institute. Coming into this 6-month program, I knew data was future, but I didn't realize how much this Gen AI could change the game. Over the last 4 months, we moved from mastering Advanced Excel and SQL to deep diving into Python for analytics. But the real standout, learning how to use AI Copilot to automate your data cleaning and generate complex hypotheses in a second. It boosts your skills and knowledge while giving you more confidence in your career. 2 months until the completion, and I can already see the finish line. If you are looking to upgrade your career with data and AI, then this is the best place to be. Stay tuned for the final project reveal. If you are looking for the best data analytic course with AI in Kolkata, then Karmick Institute is one of the best places to be. Book your free demo now.